Hey guys, welcome back to okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we have this beautiful 2025 brand new BMW X6M 60i. This is a 4.4 liter V8, 523 horsepower. Absolutely amazing, super fast, and 553 pounds of torque. Yeah, I mean, I love this brand new design. I love the headlights. I mean, it's very, very beautiful. This is way faster than your grandma's car by 5 times or maybe 6. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at those wheels. Absolutely beautiful. The wheels are 20, by the way, and you get this amazing body. It looks really, really nice. Honestly, out of all of the BMWs, this is my favorite. But this is what the back of it looks like. Again, you get this beautiful badge, M60i, and also X6, and you get the 4 what do you call them, exhaust pipes.
Okay.
And you get these diffuser as well. Absolutely amazing. I mean, look at this. Awesome. I love this color as well. There was another color, but I chose this one. This is just too beautiful, especially with the black. Amazing. But yeah, let's just go ahead and check the interior out. All right, let's see. It is a little bit tight. It seats 5 people, but you know, you still get a lot of room. Like, look at this. That's plenty of room. And you got some control for your AC, some USB ports as well. And that's really it. The seats are super comfortable. And you got some carbon fiber here as well. Let's just look at the trunk. All right. Still brand. Let me see. Why is it all the way up here? I mean, down there, I meant. I am the one. Again, you get this beautiful badge, X6. And I think you can do that. Yeah, there you go. And you know, that's plenty of room right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because of the sun, but you know, that's plenty of room. Again, this is honestly the best BMW ever. Let's see the interior. Now, interior is not the cleanest, but bear with me because oh my god, so comfortable. Let's move this. Now again, you get your normal controls right here, the trunk, door lock, and your seating, as well as your window controls right here as well. Now here, really nice dashboard as well, just like any other BMW. And there's really not much except the badge, and you got the you get AR sign. So if you get to a stop sign, it will show a stop sign, or whatever it is, it's gonna show up here. Now, again, the same as any other BMW. You got the menu, you got the vehicle menu, and also infotainment on all apps. So vehicle, you have just about, you know, any other, just like any other BMW, you got display door and windows, mobile devices, keys, live vehicle, interior lighting, exterior lighting, driving settings, and so on. And for infotainment, you got drive recorder, you got Android Auto. Let me see. Actually, no. So you got the air console games. I'm not sure what this is. Alright, so anyway, so you got that. You got YouTube, weather. I'm not sure. Really, you get YouTube here? But you gotta log in with BMW ID. But yeah, so these are a couple of things you have in the menu. Also, as you guys just saw, we do get signs, you know, but at night it doesn't work. I don't think it works. I haven't seen give me any sign if I get to a stop sign or also, honestly, like I just noticed like this car, I literally beat a Cybertruck. Now, not launching, so he did beat me, not by much, to be honest with you. Like I was still next to him. Hopefully there are no police here. In this state, they don't have tolerance for the speed. So if you're caught going excessive speed, you're fucked. Literally fucked. Oh my god, I got the 523 horsepower. I wanted to purchase a M8 Grand Coupe, but honestly, like I was thinking about just any M8. I mean, just any 8 series, not M8, 8 series. But now that I think about it, 8 series are only 335 horsepower, so it's still good. But now that I have this, if I buy one, I'm definitely going for the M package. Gotta go put some gas in. Now the only thing is you can't really do burnouts. This is all-wheel drive, so I don't know how you can pull that off. But yeah, let's just go ahead. My favorite gas station. All right, so we're going up to the mountain, and I can feel the pressure on my ears. But we're going up to the mountain, and just wanted to see how this car will do on turns and other things as well. This is a very high mountain, so I'm actually feeling a lot of pressure, but it's all right. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. One of my favorite cars, you know, ever, honestly. Now, like in terms of SUVs. But if you, obviously, you know, have other dream cars. Favorite cars are different than dream cars. Now, dream cars are, you know, Lamborghinis and, you know, those very nice cars. This one, it's more of a, you know, daily driving car. So for daily driving, this is definitely has been my favorite BMW ever. And I promise you, this is not sponsored by BMW. So it's all just coming from the heart. So, and you know, it's only been 2 weeks, so you know, a lot could go wrong in the next, you know, couple of weeks or months. But so far so good. There's no issues. You know, this car was purchased used as well. You know, none of my cars are brand new, except, you know, Teslas are I just prefer going through Tesla. They have a good, you know, APR, but this has been absolutely pleasure. Love driving this. It's fast, it's good, it got all the things you would need in a car. So absolutely beautiful so far. Now we'll see what happens in the next, couple of, I guess, month or years, but so far so good. I just purchased BMW 4 Series. Now again, that one, I thought that one was fast, but this thing right here, 523 horsepower, oh my god, this is, oh my goodness. I love listening to that exhaust. It's a music to my ears, to be honest with you. The pops, the everything, it's just so good. I don't listen to music anymore. Now you do get that head-up display right there, so it's very convenient, especially at night. You don't have to keep looking at your dash. Now again, I keep forgetting my GoPro, so hopefully this does the same job. Hopefully.